fourth quadrant. Already we saw about first quadrant, second and third in the last videos. Now we are going to see about the fourth quadrant. That is, it's considered as vertical plane and horizontal plane. So this is HP, already we know about. This is horizontal plane, and VP, that is vertical plane. So once again, this is for horizontal plane, and VP is vertical plane. In that particular fourth quadrant, we are going to draw for HP, that is below HP. So the projection of point will occur on below HP for the horizontal point. So and for vertical, it is in front of VP. So in the fourth quadrant, it is the opposite of the second quadrant. It is above HP and in front behind VP. So it is the opposite of the second quadrant, that is below HP and in front of VP. Now we are going to solve the problem for the fourth quadrant. Problem for the fourth quadrant, that is the point B is 30 mm below HP and 40 mm in front of VP. Few minutes ago we saw about for the fourth quadrant, that is below HP and in front of VP. Consider it is a horizontal plane and it is an imaginary of vertical plane. So below HP, in front of VP. So now we will so on the point D, we are going to draw for 30 mm. So that is, it is a reference, common reference plane. We know about already about this. So that is common reference plane. Below this it is HP and above this is VP. So for the 30 mm, it is below HP and this is the point. Considering it is an imaginary vertical plane, so in front of VP. So consider it is an imaginary vertical plane. So so this is dot. So VP plane, that is 40 mm. Already given in the question, 40 mm in front of VP. That is 30 mm below HP. Consider it is an imaginary vertical plane. So 40 mm. So that is, this is the exact position of the fourth quadrant. So this is HP and this is VP, this is horizontal plane, this is vertical plane. So for the same, we are going to draw about below HP. That is, so below HP in the horizontal plane is the 30 mm. So this is the vertical plane. So in 2D it is considered as an imaginary one. In 3D we are showing about in live. So this is vertical plane in front of VP. So idukku keela, idukku munnadi. So that is minus below HP and in front of VP. So this is the problem for fourth quadrant. We see one more problem for the same. So the point B is 45 mm below HP and 30 mm in front of VP. For a reference, this is the fourth quadrant, that is below HP and in front of VP. Now we are going to draw for the fourth quadrant positions. So it is VP and this is HP. So in the AutoCAD, we will know about this is donut for the point has an end, that is called donut option. It is in AutoCAD. AutoCAD la pathina appdi sonna nam 2D 3D la ellame varanjikalam. So ipo nam varaikkodhu that is 45 mm below HP. So consider that is the point. So this is called donut. So they are not giving the abbreviation for this donut. So this is 45 mm. So this point is mentioned as end of this particular projection. So in the line or point modifies, so giving us a darkest point. So it is so we have some limitations and protocols to follow for the error marks. So this is the position D. So this is 45 mm. That is the point D is 45 mm below HP. That is, so HP 45 mm, 4.5 centimeter. So that is 45 mm and 30 mm in front of VP. So consider it is an imaginary one. So already we draw for this particular HP, that is horizontal plane to the margin. Now we are going to see about vertical plane. So consider it is an imaginary vertical plane. We are going to see about 30 mm. So D dash 30 mm. So this is the fourth quadrant problem. Common reference plane HP VP, that is 45 mm below HP and 30 mm in front of it. Thank you.